guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do my July monthly plan with me for July 2018. And it's only mid-May right now, so I am definitely planning ahead of time. So if I stop this video and like come back, it's just because things changed or, drastically like enough that it's worth showing. So you guys are probably like, what is with all the bows in the background? So I'm going to be out of town starting in June until July 17th. So I've pre-put my washi down as vacation strips because you don't get enough vacation strips in the kit to do 3 weeks, like, well, 2.5 weeks. So I just went ahead and did that. I also drew in a line so I can better line things up at the top. So hopefully that will go well for me. It worked pretty well in my June plan with me. And yeah, I realized after I put this washi down, I probably should have waited for my tropical skinny washi to come in, but whatever, it's gonna work. And I wanted to bring more pink in because this kit is so blue and purple, but there's definitely pink accents, so I kind of wanted to like bring those out of the kit. And this kit is from Jump to It Design Co. I don't know if I have yeah, Jump to It. Oh, Designs Inc. Sorry, I will link the shop down below, of course. And this is on beautiful smooth matte paper, and she offers a 2-page kit and then a 1-page add-on, so I did get all 3 sheets. So this is the first sheet in the kit, and you have the top bar, part of your sidebar, 2 boxes, paydays, bill due, Independence Day, quarter box kind of things, and then icons along the side. And then this is the second page you get in the normal kit, so you have the rest of the top bar for this half, and then it kind of extends down onto the sidebar. You get covers for days that are not in the month. You get the date covers, more labels, and a couple pieces of deco. And then this is the third page that you can add on, and I mostly added it on for all the labels and flags, but you do get more full boxes. Like I said, you get vacation strips, but not enough for 2.5 weeks. Flags, you get a look ahead for the next month. I don't particularly care for those, so I won't be using that. But it is nice if you are into that sort of thing. And it's this beautiful, like, sea life pattern. It's very, very pretty. And I won credit to her shop, and I was super excited that she had a monthly kit because then I can pre-plan right away. And now this is just matte paper, but I don't know what it's like to remove because she does have new paper, so I have not worked with this paper before. You guys, I can't even tell you how much it helps to draw that line. Like, I don't know why I struggled so much for the first couple months and didn't just draw a line. It's so silly. But now this one, this is all one big piece, so I'm not sure if I should attack it going this way. I feel like I should because I don't exactly know where to line it up on that sidebar thing, but I don't exactly know where to line it up here either. Let's see. I think that'll work. Okay. I can somehow manage to get that down. Oh my gosh, I'm ripping it. That was stupid. Okay, come on, sticker. This is real challenging, you guys. Not gonna lie. Unless it's maybe supposed to have a cut line, and it just doesn't. I don't know. Wow, look how well I lined up that washi. I'm impressed with myself. Okay, so once I kind of got it figured out, that went down okay. And now we have one more giant sticker. Actually, 2 more. One for this side. So this is the continuation of this image. And then it says goals. And hopefully that's straight because I feel like I'm going on a giant angle. I'm, knock on wood, I'm doing okay so far. All right, then I have these 3 that go down here for, these days are in August. Oh, she has this like so perfectly lined up. Oh my gosh. And then one more day for over here, which is this box, because again, it matches the pattern. I'm gonna stick it on going this way. Okay, let me open up and show you guys how perfectly this all matches. Like even the little pink coral right here lines up. Oh my goodness. But do you see how that pink kind of brings out the pink? And then it does have gold bows or champagne bows, I think. And there's like little gold glitter things in here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Holy cow. I am so excited. I enjoy that this has a little bit more deco on this side, but still has a functional sidebar. Like you get a little deco here, you get the further extended down kind of top part, but you still have quite a bit of room to write. That's cool. I like it. Okay. Oh my gosh. So we have an Independence Day sticker. So I'm going to start with that before I forget. And I'm going to just stick that right over the washi. I'm not going to have a ton of room to work with on these days, but we're just going to have to live with it. And then my brother's birthday is on the 3rd. I think I might take one of these slightly bigger boxes. Okay, so that's for my brother's birthday. I don't think we had any birthday. Oh, we do have birthday cake. Cool. Okay, so stick that in the corner. Can you guys even see? I always forget that, like, on the monthly, it's real hard to see. Let's see. I have a payday this day. And we'll just stick that little flag in the corner. And then we have some Bill Do stickers, not a ton, but a couple that I can use for my main ones. We have a day off sticker too, but I don't need that because I have all of July off. Perks of being a teacher. Okay, so there's a bill due. My car payment bill is due on the 2nd. I almost thought I had those days wrong for a second. My glam planner, my car insurance is on the 15th. My Simply Gilded is the 17th. My glam planner is the 11th. Whoa! That's not where I wanted that thing. These are peeling up quite well. I'm very excited. Okay, and then we're gonna need another bill due probably the 28th for my phone. Maybe I'll use a flag. Yeah, I think I'll use a flag. So we'll do that same kind of bluish color flag. And I'll put that on the 28th. Okay. What else do I need to mark? Okay. I need to check in for my flight the 16th, and then my flight is on the 17th. So I'm going to put a big box on the 17th. And then I'll put a little one of these guys. This paper is so smooth, I can't even grab it. We'll put one of these on the 16th. And let me see if we have any computer icons. No, but I'll do this little airplane, write my flight details in there. And then I have a doctor's appointment on the 19th. So that's on this side. So I guess I'll just use one of these labels. Oops. There we go. I'm realizing I have these boxes, but because I covered up so much of the top with washi, I just kind of want to throw them in here before I lose them, like before I lose any room to put them in. So I'll put one there, and then maybe I don't know if it's gonna look funny if they're all kind of at the bottom. I'll put one there, and then maybe one on the 18th. Or the 20th, we'll do the 24th. Well, yeah, I think the 24th is the best. Okay, so those don't like mean anything in particular. They're just making sure that I can use those very pretty boxes. I think I have enough over here with this giant piece with just the one. And then let's see, I want to white out these little moons because I don't enjoy them, as I've said before, and there's like a lot of them in this month. I think there was one over here too. Maybe it got covered already. I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go off camera and put all of my date numbers down wherever they went. These, and then I might find a spot for those two little deco pieces, and then I think I'll come back and just show you guys what it looks like, because I don't know anything else at this point. Like, I don't know what I'm doing all of these days. But I have tons and tons and tons of labels left that I can use, so no big deal if something pops up. But I'll go put these down using some tweezers, and then I'll come back and show you so that you can see what it kind of looks like all filled out. Well, not filled out, no writing, sticker filled out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I put all those little date numbers on. They remind me of seashells. I'm not sure if they're the same shape in every one of her kits, but in this particular kit they remind me of seashells, which is really cute. And then I put that one little deco there, and then I put the other seashell up there just because there's so many deco boxes at the bottom. I brought some up kind of to the middle range. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like all the washi? It's a little overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, I probably should have waited until I got my skinny one, but at the same time, it's tropical pink washi with gold bows, champagne bows, and it is beautiful. And I think I'm okay with it. I will have probably more things to mark as stuff happens and I know what's going on, and I kind of have the like sandy gold colors, the blue, and then I have flags that are in all the different colors also. So hopefully it'll balance out, you know, by the end. Let me lift this up a little. There, now you can see the whole thing. So I think it's really pretty. This kit is beautiful. The paper is absolutely stunning. Love her new paper, and it was super functional. I think it had everything I wanted. Yeah. I mean, they always have too many paydays, but it had the holiday, and it has tons and tons of boxes. Even if you don't buy the add-on sheet, I think it still has a lot of boxes, and it covered all the days that weren't in the month, and then it gave you a little bit of extra deco kind of in the sidebar region, which is really pretty. Okay, so that's my thoughts review of Jump to It Design Incorporated's monthly kit, as well as my plans for July. Like I said, if I come back on, then I'm adding to this. If I don't come back on, then that's everything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye!